Yeah. I just wanna paint the picture what it was like when I was with your sunset and see the ocean, but a storm of clouds coming in. See it in your eyes, all of your emotions running deep. Girl, I hope you know I choose to keep these memories, like when I played with your hair. Well, when you sleep in my arms, I stared at you, cause your imperfection is a beauty. And hearing your voice is like the air I need to breathe. I catch too much in jealousy, got the best you need. I just wanna all of you and all your time. Wanted you to myself, but you see that's hard to find. With the girl before you made me lose my mind. Made me break down, but you turned my frown upside down. Made me turn my life around. Made me feel happiness, but now I'm lost in this brown bottle, feeling drowsiness. Trying to cover you, I pick up, and I know you don't give a fuck. And I can't take this thinking. So right now I'm drinking. And I said I can't take this thinking. So right now I'm drinking. And no, baby, no, I can't take this thinking all alone. But now you gone, and I still get no response from you. But I still got old pictures and videos of you. I don't know how long I can hold on. I just wanna tell you what I went through. That every night I'm thinking someone's holding you, giving you all the love I used to. But I guess it's fuck you. I can do all the things we said we'll do on my own. And now you no longer gonna be home. And now I'm just gonna get you drunk to the point where I just wanna give up. Cause I'm at that point in my life when I really thought you was the wife that I needed. But now I see that I can be who I am in this life without you. But I just can't seem to understand that all I wanted to do was just be your man. And I can't take this drinking no more. And I just wanna slow down on this thinking. So I pour me some, pour me some. And I'ma drink it all till it's done. And I'ma drink it all till it's fucking gone. But don't ever hit up my phone no more. Don't tell me you love me no more. Cause I can't take this drinking and this thinking no more, no more. And I'm sorry for all the shit I put you through. But baby, just know I always loved you and that was true. But I just can't believe this is how it's gonna end. And I just can't stand this thinking. So I'm drinking, and I'm fucking drinking.